What a beautiful day for a great adventure on your very own island of Sodor. Come and play exciting minigames with me and my friends in an awesome train set that magically comes to life. Collect cool toys to build a... We're all happy to see you again. I love that. Which way do you want to go? Next stop, Chidmouse Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Just spin the wheel to rotate the track.